DWN TV. I'm gonna tell your friend. Subscribe. Yo. DWN. I'm gonna tell your friend. DWN. Back at it again. DWN TV. DWN TV, and this is your boy Dewey Beats, and we are back again. Yes, Rasta. Big up all our subscribers and big up all our supporters. Yeah, man, much love, you know. Right now, we have a lot of news to talk about, but we're gonna kick it off with an artist named Kash, the youth bad. Check him out.
You don't know scars yet. No, you don't know scars yet. No, cause you don't see.
Jaja God. You can't tell me say youth no bad. My God. Most people are feel pain right now. Jesus Christ, Natty.
People are love a fuck in a real life. In a real life. In a real life.
Yes, my brother Cash. Why bad? Pick up the whole crew. Man like Tomar. Man like Dujan. You know, man like Juna. GNL TV. Yes, Rasta. Let me talk about this brother. It's going viral. I don't know. Look like him Christmas come early. You know, some little child when them get them Christmas present and excited to pull it. This big walkless man hacking like he's stupid for a GUN. Take a look.
Mampi. Where do you know, Mampi? Mampi, man, on the internet on my yard. But you want a video call and show your style, is it? Mampi. Upgrading a Mampi. Back to your regular. That one name Kill Police. See it, Mampi? You see it, Mampi? Mampi. Me no want to do it, Mampi. God no. You see it, Mampi. See it there. You see it, Mampi. Mampi. You see it? Me tell you, Mampi. Last night I seen eating dark. Lord. See it, Mampi. Mampi then. Me know say you see it. Me know for sure say you see it, Mampi. You see me? Me know for sure say you see them. Say then. You see them, Mampi? Look, Mampi. You see say then, Mampi. I told no much about it last night, Mampi. Oh God, Mampi, you sing sweet. I want you hear you see, Mama. I want you hear it. It's bad. Full of effect, Mama. You say, I'm a chop one out of it, you know. Mampi, idea. Me don't want chop one right now, but me can't chop one for you right now, Mampi. Sorry. You see it. Full effect, Mampi. I tell you. Last night, problem.
Jesus Christ, Natty. This guy is insane. I wonder if him know that Medares full. And a lot of scamming going on down there. They put your body in the ground and take away your headstone. They can't find you again. That's where you want to go, sir. Take a look.
People, this is murderous. It's when you die, no family member can find their loved one headstone. This is the situation. Every headstone big up and gone all about. So when you bury up here, we can't find it. So you want to do dead.
Jesus Christ! You call me out of my blood clot, you have to kill me! Almighty God, eh? Oh.
Are these people for real? No. Look how the man is driving on the road. Jesus Christ, like life don't value no more. Huh? You can't come out of your yard, go in a bus or a taxi and to don't make it back home. Cause these brothers driving like they don't care. Cha, look what's going on in Medares. They don't see that? Jesus Christ. But we have some more information on Mr. Philip Palwell and his baby mother, Saga. Well, take a look.
Statements given to the major organized crime and anti-corruption agency MOCA have implicated two senior PNP politicians as associates and financiers of a reputed corporate area gang leader. The senior members of the PNP implicated in the statements are members of parliament. Two witness statements say the politicians facilitated the gang leader and his cronies by being given government contracts when the PNP was in government. Abka Fitzhenley has this nationwide news radio exclusive.
One of the explosive statements was given by a man who told Mocha that he had lived in one of several areas which the reputed gangster controls. The man says he had witnessed a series of vicious crimes being perpetrated by the gang leader and his thugs. He told Mocha that a few years ago he was attacked by thugs associated with the gang leader. The man said the thugs were armed with high-powered guns and chased him out of the area because he declined to become a member of their gang. The alleged eyewitness told Mocha that the gang leader and his cronies have been involved in a series of murders, gun running, kidnapping, rapes and illegal sand mining. The witness then implicates a member of parliament as being a close associate of the gangster. The MP was an influential minister in the former PNP administration. The alleged eyewitness named the reputed gangster and told Mocha, quote, "I'm scared of him and his gang. He's very powerful. I see him walking and talking in the area with a member of parliament and showing him the areas he controls." End of quote. The man also named the opposition MP and told Mocha that in 2015, the politician facilitated the gang leader being given a series of government contracts in his constituency. The witness also told Mocha that he has seen the gangster and his cronies in the company of another prominent PNP politician patrolling areas he controls. That politician is now a member of parliament and was a senior official in the former PNP administration. Another statement given to Mocha by a female described the gang leader as a don who provides work for men in the area. That statement also named the two senior PNP politicians as being close associates of the gangster. The woman also told Mocha that the gang leader got several government contracts from the two PNP politicians when they were in office. The statement indicated that when the politicians are having a political event, they use the services of the gang leader and his thugs to control the people. The woman also told Mocha that she became close to the gang leader shortly after he returned to Jamaica a few years ago. She says since the gangster came back to Jamaica in 2009, violent crime in several areas across the corporate area has increased. The woman also told Mocha that she witnessed high-powered guns being used by the gang leader and his gang members to murder the father of her child. She says the father of her child was murdered when he declined a request to join the gang. The reputed gang leader was recently tried in the Home Circuit Court in Kingston. He was accused by Mocha of breaching the country's anti-gang law and being the leader of a criminal organization. There were jitters in the opposition PNP when it was disclosed in court a few weeks ago that photographs of the PNP politicians in the company of the reputed gangster were included in the Mocha case file. But the case was dismissed when a key witness declined to testify, and the judge indicated that damning information obtained from the Facebook account of the gangster would not be admitted into evidence. Senior sources at Mocha told Nationwide News today that the reputed gang leader and his thugs remain significant persons of interest to the organized crime and anti-corruption agency. Abka Fitzhenley for Nationwide News.
The US media.
Mr. Philip Palwell, could you tell me what's really going on, man? Come on, man. You're representing Jamaica. You need to stop this foolishness. Jesus Christ, not that. But anyway, we have an artist named Kash, and this youth is very talented. And we're gonna close the video with him, and you need to go check him out. And Kash, promise move. Go check him out. He's a big artist. Check him out.
New challenge.
Yo, that one you know, One more pass it on challenge. Do it with your friends. Remember, we created. You hear that? You know ready now? All right then.
Yo, dog, this a sick flow. Hot like my buck off my big toe. No light in this, bro. I full of dark for years and you been known. Yeah, man, the killer been known. never walk with a big chrome. When it bust that trim me down crick bone. War broke, now the killer na Flintstone and the Flintstone. I pussy better know yard. Money enough for the life for day in the one book. If you broke